star triangle. Import Java util scanner. Public class star triangle. Public static void main string args. Scanner equals new scanner. System.in. System.out. Print, enter the number of rows. Int num rows equals scanner. Next int. For int I equals 1, I less than equals num rows, I plus plus. For int j equals 1, j less than equals I, j plus plus. System.out. Print, asterisk. System.out. Print ln. Here's a breakdown of each step. Procedure. Import the Java util scanner package to get user input. Create a class called star triangle. Inside the main method, create a scanner object to get the number of rows from the user. Use a nested for loop to print the desired number of stars on each row. The outer loop controls the number of rows, while the inner loop controls the number of stars printed on each row. After each row is printed, move to the next line using system.out. Print ln. When you run this program, the output will be. Note: the number of rows can be changed by modifying the value entered by the user in step 3.